If you have a car and an iPhone in 2021, it's likely that you have already known what CarPlay is. For those of you who don't know about CarPlay, it's a function in iOS explicitly designed for car owners. When you take your phone into your car, CarPlay connects to your vehicle's infotainment system through the charging cable or wirelessly, so you can access services and contents on your phone through your car's built-in display. CarPlay is one of the best infotainment software in the world. It's so popular that many consumers refuse to buy a vehicle if it doesn't come with CarPlay. There are 4 things that CarPlay has done right, and they may be enlightening to you as well. First, let's talk about consistency. The CarPlay interface matches the same icon-based interface that you see and love on iOS and iPadOS. Users don't have to learn how to use CarPlay. They need to just plug and play. While many car manufacturers are striving to sell their in-house infotainment systems like BMW's iDrive, Apple on the other hand just lets users do what they like to do on an iPhone. Second, CarPlay is concise. By only providing users with car-related content such as maps, calls, CarPlay maximizes road safety by excluding all distractions from the user's line of sight. Everything on the screen is relevant and never distracting. Last but not the least, CarPlay encourages users to talk to Siri while on the road, so that they don't need to take their eyes off the road or their hands off the steering wheel. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.